Here is how to set up your profile in Momenzo app. First, tap the profile icon at the top right, then select Profile Settings. Wait a few seconds for the page to load. Here, you can choose the language you want your video template to use. Alright, let's move on to step 2 of the profile settings. Here, you can add the details that will appear at the end of your video. This includes your contact information, logo, and profile picture. If your logo is white or a light color, switch to a dark background so it's clearly visible. Let's move to the final step, where you can set up the info and branding that will appear throughout your listing videos. Once again, you can edit your information or replace your logo and profile picture. And very importantly, you can fully customize your branding by choosing a color that matches your brand. If you're part of a group, you can select it here or manually enter your brand color. Once you're satisfied, just click Finish to save your profile.